In this video, I will demonstrate the process of making ice cream in a bag. The objective of this experiment is to reveal the science behind ice cream and to create a tasty treat. The ingredients we will need are half cup of half and half cream, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 medium Ziploc bags, 1 large Ziploc bag, half cup of kosher or rock salt, 5 to 6 cups of ice, and optional gloves. First, I'm going to measure out the sugar, vanilla extract, and half into a medium-sized Ziploc bag. Then I'm going to seal the bag shut after squeezing all the air out of it. For more protection, the bag with the cream and sugar will go inside another bag. The next step is to put the double bag into the larger bag as well as the ice and salt. Then you seal the big bag. Now it's time to shake the bag for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we check the consistency of the ice cream. If the texture and consistency is to your taste, then it is ready to be served.
"2,000 years later."
How does shaking a bag full of cream, ice, and salt create ice cream, you may ask? Well, first of all, this ice cream is made of sugar, fat, ice crystals, and air. It is also an emulsion, which is a combination of 2 or more liquids that don't normally mix together, such as oil and water. When you shake the bag, it emulsifies the ice cream and disperses the ice crystals, fat, and air. The more you shake, the smaller the ice crystals become, and more air is incorporated into the ice cream. This creates a veneer texture. The salt is needed to lower the melting point of the ice so you can shake the bag long enough to solidify the ice cream. The more salt added, the lower the melting temperature. The colder temperature makes the ice cream freeze faster since the ice pulls heat away from the ice cream. Once the ingredients become ice cream, it becomes a compound and all the ingredients are bound together unless another chemical reaction occurs to separate the ingredients. In summary,